Right, hello. So for today's trades of the day, we're going to be taking a look at some of these index moves that have been taking place over the last few days. Quite a lot going on with China and the coronavirus, but what it's doing is it's taking a big knock on the equity markets. Finally, over the last couple of days of last week, markets started to take a bit of a hit. And actually, a lot of these markets have been, in a rampant bull trend. So actually, it's been quite difficult to get on those sell trades. And you've got to be a little bit careful about trading against that longer term trend unless there's a particular reason for doing so. So a couple of the videos last week talked about some of those reasons. Indices actually tend to be a lot faster moving markets anyway, particularly the S&Ps, the Dow. Can tend to get some of those deeper retracements that sometimes you don't get on many of those foreign exchange pairs. So if you're a slightly more aggressive trader, you can get on some of those without those additional reasons we've been getting on. And that's all part of the training program, the coaching program that we go through with traders. But what I wanted to do is just have a look at a couple of the index trades over the last few days. We'll start off with FTSE, which I've got on the screen here, which is the UK index. That's in a downtrend anyway. So actually we turned into a downtrend about 3 or 4 months ago. We've been holding pretty much flat really since then. And you can see on the far left-hand side the monthly down arrow. That's depicting the downtrend, meaning that we've got a downward bias. We are preferring short trades right now, and you can see them break down there. It doesn't sort of show necessarily that it was a wobbly pathway down to the target, but we gapped down and we hit our profit target today of around about 104 points profit. DAX, interestingly, we had a buy trade back here. It was called a continuation. We had a sniper against, had a quick profit on that one. Then that rolled into a continuation buy. We actually put a note out to our clients on Friday, just suggesting that the market's topping out. It does look like the market's going to start to turn back down again. And we took a small profit of around 50 or 60 points on the DAX, as it turned out, when we put the note out. And it's a good job we did, because the market really has fallen off quite aggressively since then. And it's looking like a potential, again, aggressive short for tonight. But, we'll see how that pans out over the next few days. But again, a small profit there on the upside for the DAX. What I wanted to have a look at was a couple other markets. The Dow here, you can see the sell trade there, rotating back down those lines, turning from green to red. The big disc on the chart pinpointing the opportunity. Again, if you're brand new to this, you probably want to steer away from such trades with faster moving markets there. But as you become more experienced, you're going to move into some of those faster markets where there is more opportunity there, and a lot of opportunity for quicker sort of profits. We took 100 points out of this one. It may not sound a lot, but it keeps that positive progression going, which is a great way to be. And remember, when you're looking at against trend trades, very often it's the case that you expect a small pullback followed by a move to new highs. So we took only 100 out of this one. S&Ps, just because of the pattern, we took a bit more out of this one. In fact, it was about, 370 odd points, or 37 big points. That's 373 regular points, if you like, that we took out of this one here. And that gap down over the weekend there. And that was a nice short trade from Friday night as well. So some really good moves on the index trades there. I guess overall, quick tally up there. It's best part of 5, 6, just over 600 points on those 4 trades alone. So, and if you're looking for more trading opportunities, you'd like to find out how you can get on opportunities like these ones here, then what you want to do is tune into one of our live trading webinar events. Now, somewhere on this page, you'll see a link where you can click on it, register for one of these upcoming events. And what I'll do, and my colleagues will do, we'll teach you this trading strategy. We'll teach you some additional concepts, some of the tools, some of the technology we use every day that can help us to find these opportunities and get on the right side of the moves. Okay, well, we'll tune in next time. Thanks a lot.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.